Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Artspace, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we have a new student intern with us who's going to introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Ayala. I'm from Lesley University. I'm studying art therapy in the graduate program.
Yeah,
Great.
welcome, Ayala. So, what are we making today?
Today we are making something called Artsy notebooks. So they're notebooks, but we make them look a little more fun. So that's what we do today.
Okay. So, as we always do, before we start, we're going to begin with one of our breathing exercises. And this one is going to be a hand to shoulder breath. So, we're going to start at our fingertips and take a deep breath in and go all the way to our shoulder. And then take a deep breath out and go back to our fingertips.
Okay.
So we'll do that 2 times together. Okay, so fingertips, take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And one more time. And breathe out.
Great.
Okay, so we're ready to start.
Yeah.
What supplies do we need?
Notebook, glue or tape, and decorations.
All right, not many supplies.
No, and you can use as little or as much as you want for these.
All right, so we're each going to do something a little different. So I'm going to use a little notebook because I love to carry around little notebooks to jot down everything I need to do or remember. So what I'm going to do is I found a lot of colorful ribbon with my things that I wrap presents with. So I'm just going to put glue all over my little notebook and I've cut the ribbon in different shapes, different sizes, and just going to glue it all over and kind of have fun with it.
Great. I can't wait to see how it comes out.
Yeah. Ayala, how are you going to do your notebook?
Yeah, so I have a bit of a bigger notebook that I put a piece of white paper over so it can be a little bit easier for me to decorate since it has a pattern. I'm planning to use this for my classes, bring it to school with me. And I have here some different stickers and also different colors of scrap paper. And so and also some colorful tape. And so I'm going to kind of collage some of those, I think, and stick them down and maybe do a little drawing on top. We'll see. But yeah, we'll
Great.
see where it goes.
Good. We can't wait to see. So you
I
can
know.
get started on yours. That's awesome.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
Gail, what are you going to do?
Well, what I'm going to do is I had a yellow notebook, but I took a piece of the back of a folder of something else and covered it. So it was a little bit plainer because it had writing on it. And then I took strips of paper and I drew flowers on them and I stuck them on with double-sided tape. So I'm going to do one more strip of flowers on it. And then I also have cut out polka dots out of paper and I'm going to stick those on too.
Nice.
So, yeah, I'm going to start on that. And while I'm starting on that, I have a joke for you all.
Oh, okay.
Oh, since these are notebooks generally used for school, I'm going to ask you both, what is a snake's favorite subject in school?
What is a snake's favorite subject in school? I have no idea.
Me neither.
History.
That's a good one.
I like that. I like that. It's a
So, the other thing that I'm doing that I like that was on one of the samples is there's coils on the side of my notebook. So I'm like tying some little ribbons along the
that
coils.
looks good. And I also really like how the ribbon looks on the front of yours, Peggy.
Oh, yes, it's coming. It's so fun.
I know.
Colors.
That's so pretty. And really anything goes on these. You can make them as decorative or plain as you want. And you can just add to them over time too.
Right. I was thinking you could also use yarn, or
Yeah.
if you have any stickers around, or just cut up paper different ways.
Yeah, I really like that mine only is requiring paper and some markers.
Mm.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything fancy.
No, so I'll show you where I'm at. So it's gonna be, look like this.
Nice.
I'm gonna keep putting the polka dots on.
Ooh, those are some fun colors.
Thank you.
And
How's
you
this
you
coming?
know what? You would never find notebooks like this in the store.
No, never.
It's true.
Ayala, how is yours coming along?
Oh, mine's going well. I'm starting to use some of the little scraps of paper that I had, and I'm starting out with some pink and green.
Nice.
I'm not sure exactly what the vision is yet, so I'm really just having fun with it.
Good.
Right. I know. I'm kind of having fun with it too.
I know, me too.
I feel like it would be cool to use buttons.
Ooh,
like,
that's a good idea.
Yeah, maybe
That's
next time. I'll do
Yeah,
that. I think that would be pretty fun.
let's see, Peggy. Wow,
Ooh,
I love that against the black. It's
I
really,
know. Yeah, I do too.
wow.
really nice.
I think I'm going to carry it with me.
Yes. So we can all finish ours later. But here's what we have so far. And thank you for joining us for this video. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.